Pakistan on Wednesday conducted a flight test of guided multiple launch rocket system Fatah-II, which is being developed as a potential challenger to the missile defense systems in the neighborhood. While announcing the test, the Inter-Services Public Relations noted that the new rocket system was equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, sophisticated navigation system, and unique flight trajectory. Featuring cutting-edge flight control technology and an advanced pathfinding mechanism. Fatah-II, the enhanced version in the series of Fatah rockets, stands out in its category. Fatah-II is distinguished by its advanced precision targeting technology, utilizing a blend of satellite and inertial navigation systems. This integration ensures remarkable accuracy with an exceptionally low margin of error. Its sophisticated navigation system enables precision-guided strikes with a circular probable error of less than 10 meters. This enhancement firmly positions the Fatah-II within the upper echelons of Pakistan's rocket artillery division, complementing the existing lineup of the Fatah-I, the Chinese A-100, the Yarmouk series, and the Nasser tactical ballistic missiles. Its capability to accurately target locations over a distance of 400 kilometers marks a significant advancement in the field of long-range artillery. The range is significantly more than its predecessor, Fatah-I, which has a range of 140 kilometers. Experts place a special emphasis on the unique flight trajectory of the rocket. The Fatah-II design provides for this feature, giving it an edge in evading countermeasures and hitting targets accurately. India, it may be recalled, is significantly upgrading its missile defense system, incorporating the advanced S-400 Triumph for long-range threats, the indigenous Samar for short-range defense, and the DRDO-developed V-SHORADs for very short-range targets, in addition to its emerging sea-based ballistic missile defense capabilities. Though this was the first publicly disclosed flight test of the rocket,